Good morning, fellas. What's up, guys? It's your boy Ethan. Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to a little personal vlog. We're starting the day at 2 p.m. right now. Welcome to the life of a poker player. We're in Florida. Last night, that may or may not have already been aired before. I don't know if the poker vlog is up to date or when this is actually uploading, but we played a session till like 4 a.m. so we're starting the day off pretty late. Currently, right now, the WPT $3,500 buy-in 2 mil guarantee event is going on right now, and it's a shame to call myself a poker player and not be playing in it, but we're doing some normie stuff, as people will call it, non-poker stuff with a few buddies. So I'm just trying to vlog today, do a little personal vlog, see how it goes, because this is like one of the few days where I have a day designated to not play poker. So gonna meet with a few buddies that traveled back from home here in Florida. We're gonna have a day, we're gonna be on a boat.
Hell yeah!
How are you feeling?
Pretty good,
What's
man.
going on?
Pretty good.
All right, well, Carl's gonna edit this video. We'll see how it turns out. But we've got a day ahead, so we'll see. Introduce you to the boys, and maybe not try to drown on this boat.
Maybe not crash.
I'm good at driving, dude. King of multitasking.
All right, Carl taking over. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All right, no, that's all I gotta say.
Not bad, right?
You fucked up.
Not bad. What do you? What?
Oh no, you're good. Never mind.
There's not a single thing.
Bailed yourself out.
There's not a single thing.
Here, do this.
So we just parked, and the first thing I have to say while driving, I looked at my phone, and oh my god, Bitcoin is tanking. I think it's because of Biden's tax term or whatever's going on, but it's like at 50 or something like that. If you look at my, here's an update on the random altcoins performance. This is the stupid graph. I hope you guys can see it. I think we put 1,100 into it, and we're at 970. Yeah, Bitcoin's down the tank. It is, I think, under $50 or 50K. You know, on the drive here, I bought that immediately. Yeah, it's at 50.2, and bought it like at 49 or whatever it is, and we're just gonna keep on buying. It reached the bottom of 47. I just keep buying the dip. Like, here's just the real day in the life. Every time that I am not really doing anything, I'm checking the markets, I'm checking the Bitcoin prices, crypto and everything. If there are any dips, we buy, we diamond hand, because anytime you paper hand, it doesn't really work out. So, find the dips. That's all I got today in this Florida vlog.
Y'all can hop on, it's just cooler. Oh, sweet.
Ew.
I just want to check everyone in while we're waiting. Is there a mic? All right. Christian? Or Christian? Big Mike. Is there going to be a Katie? Yeah, they're on their way. Absolutely. Go ahead. I mean, I can ask you.
All right, fellas, we're having a boat day. We got Mike here. The fellas.
What's up?
Someone's starting a financial chain.
It's in the works. There will be
We got, all right, top 5 picks. What do we got?
Top five
most
picks.
bullish positions. Let's go.
Palantir, Editas, Invitai, small cap Genprex, and then we got Fubo.
Oh,
That's it.
Fubo. Someone said something about Fubo. I forgot. I don't know what's going on. All right, well, we're having a day.
Do we have to be PG?
What?
Do we have to be PG? Subscribe to my OnlyFans. OnlyFans.com/BigMike. No nudity, but risky photos.
Toe picks? Any toes?
Give me a shot. You know who to take your financial advice from? A dude with a fucking pickle tattoo on his thigh.
Carl, we're cutting the fuck out of that one. That one's getting cut. It doesn't matter. No one watches these.
If I do a bad toss, I'm never going to live it down. No, sir.
Do it. Damn it! You fucking immediately!
Right in the hands, right?
How you do it?
Right in the hands. Who's your best thrower? They're all catching it.
The tribe.
Just don't miss. Don't miss.
Just don't fuck yourself.
That was a better throw there. Jumping into what, 3 feet water?
Yes. No one needs to know. Oh, that's not even a jump.
I didn't know how deep it was.
All right, we're full sending it. Carl.
Oh, shit. Where did I put my kid? Every shot you're trying to get.
You stink.
Can someone grab me a dude? Is there one there? Check over there. Where is it?
Oh man, Christian, have a day. Have a day with the sun. It's a tough sun out there. So we're on a boat. I I've got nothing to say. We should cut this. I have fucking nothing to say. All right, we're on the mission. Let's find these sunglasses.
I use my tooth to try it.
We got some shotties. Your boy, the only reason that I'm not shotgunning is for the camera.
Yeah, right.
Yep.
Right.
Yeah, you need a cameraman, and you know what? I'm doing a service for you guys. So if you haven't clicked the like button already, if you haven't clicked the like button already, all right, we're not shotgunning with the boys because of you guys.
Shotgun is under 2 seconds. Give it a like.
Oh, JP the master.
Jason done it. Only record him. Only record him.
No, hold on.
I need one. This shit's moving.
3, 2, 1. Oh, Jay, that is incontested. That's uncontested.
Oh, come on, really?
That was not
Oh, buddy! What are you fucking doing?
Okay, JP, I'll give it to you.
I will say, real talk, please like this video because I didn't get to shotgun with the boys. Like, come on. Not that I'm bad at shotgunning. Him? Oh, this was quick as fuck.
Yeah, no,
That wasn't even a competition.
It was fast.
That wasn't a
I
competition.
can see you in the corner of my eye. I'm like, oh, he's done.
All right, so we're back home from the boat. Probably trying to make some moves at the clubs. Who knows? Anyways, it is hurting my soul the fact that there is a $3,500 main event, 2 mil guarantee buy-in, and I'm not there. Maybe we'll go tomorrow. Probably not. Anyways, just trying to live life outside of poker. So welcome to.
Say that to my face, buddy.
Dick is fucking tiny.
There is a day 1B tomorrow. Who knows? But welcome to an insight when I don't do poker. Hopefully enjoy the vlog. I couldn't tell you what the hell this vlog is. It might be an absolute shit show, but if you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments below. Happy to make more of these because today has been an absolute shit show, but if you got some entertainment out of this, let me know. Welcome to the versatility of this vlog. So much versatility. Oh, shoving up some burgers.
You're gonna get gambling. You're gonna get cooking. Oh, you're gonna get beats. You're gonna get vibes. You're gonna get
ASMR.
You're gonna get every single fucking thing in this fucking goddamn vlog. You're gonna get fucking cooking. You're gonna get fucking poker, gambling. You're gonna fucking beach vibes. You're gonna get boats. You're gonna get water. You're gonna get fishing. You're gonna get every single fucking thing on Rampage Poker. Subscribe. Make sure you like the video too. All right? Yeah. JP's.
Jesus? Yeah. Alright, so much versatility. This is an absolute shit show. I have no idea what this vlog is actually gonna be because every time I pick up the camera, something else is happening. But welcome to the Chef Rampage. Rampage Cook, some shit like that.
Rampage Cook, I like that.
There we go. Alright, see?
Rampage Raw.
We're pan frying because we don't know how to grill. The grill doesn't work. But welcome. Here we go. Let's cut this up.
Cutting the burger.
Because I want to know how cooked it is. And look at that. Beauty. Damn it.
Looks like it's frost.
Beauty. Looking beauty. You can't. Alright, we're good.
Oh yeah.
Hi. Welcome to the vlog. What's going on, guys? So I guess I forgot to shoot an outro to this personal vlog. So I don't know what kind of a shit show that this video was, but welcome to a day in the life, what I do outside of poker and when I'm traveling on vacation. So hopefully you enjoyed this one. Hopefully you got some entertainment out of this. I feel like this video was literally all over the place. We're gonna see the footage after I stop recording this. But yeah, if you want to see more stuff like this, let me know in the comments below. This was definitely a very fun video to make. Hopefully you had a good time watching it. Just an absolute shit show everywhere. But yeah, Florida trip was amazing. I'm back home now, and you might see an Austin, Texas video coming up soon. We're traveling there as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Always subscribe if you're new to the channel. Always posting here every single Tuesday. Leave a like if you made it this far and you enjoyed the video. That always helps the channel grow. It's always much appreciated. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.